Hey guys, I'm playing this game called Car Wash. If you didn't know, this channel is basically just gonna be a gaming channel. If you don't even already know that. Okay, I just claimed this. So you go on to this red one, begin working free. You get that. Wait, what? Oh, and then cars come in and I didn't get cash. Oh yeah, and then I have to get money. Boom. That card gets in. It didn't give me any money. Okay, get 200 again.
Dude, I need $1,000 and I can. Come on, car.
Come on. I'm gonna get 1,000. I'm gonna wait until 1,000 to get that, so I don't have to wait later.
Okay. Boom. I bought the parking lot.
Nice.
More cars come.
Boom.
Ooh, now I make 600.
I'm waiting for the parking lot. I just need 200 more to get the parking lot.
Bro, how much money do I need? $530.
Wow. Nice.
Oh, I wish it saved your stuff on here.
It doesn't?
No, it's actually kind of good though.
Why?
Because imagine how fast it is.
Oh, yeah, true. Well, it doesn't save your stuff, so that kind of sucks. But it's kind of it's kind of good. So, guys, you just tried it. You're just supposed to get money from this, I guess. That's basically what you're supposed to do. Got that? Boom. I'm waiting for. Someone just got ran over in my place. Someone just got ran over my place, and I'm laughing at the. No, it wasn't. You're not a girl.
Yeah, yeah. I'm kidding.
You don't have a Robux.
Guys, I am a boy. Do not think I am a girl. Do not listen to Matthew.
But you are Matthew, and you said you're Kiki. Do you love him?
Oh my gosh!
What?
So much cars just came. I just made $3,000. Did like a rich person drive by or something? $3,000.
From one car?
Yeah, no, from 3.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. That's how much money I make now.
I just made $400 on this thing. What the flip? Dude.
What?
You don't understand how easy this game is. This game is probably... I have 8K.
8?
I don't know how, but I just have 8K. I just got 8K. How?
My place is pretty big already.
Dude, I'm just buying like crazy. Boom. 9.
Oh, 6K. Let's go.
6K.
Buy parking spots? Okay, I'll buy parking spots, I guess. If I have to.
Dude.
I'll buy parking spots because it costs money. And you know what money does? Makes me spend it.
Hey, look what I have. I just got all of this. This is basically what you have to do.
Ow.
Just sit here and do this. That's all you have to do. I can't wait until we make...
My game's lagging. Oh, no, it's not.
Guys, when I make a lot of progress, I'll be back and I'll show you what I have done. So, see ya. Well, guys, I didn't make too much progress. I made some progress. It was very short, though, so... What? That's one cars? Oh, yeah, bro.
Bruh. Bruh.
I just walked in
Sorry. I'm pretty crazy. Guys, don't forget to subscribe.
and like. Do you already have the car wash
Comment
thing?
down below what game you want him to play, and he'll probably play it.
Yeah,
Sorry
definitely.
guys, I'm a little crazy today.
Yeah, he didn't have any noodles.
Noodles?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you talking about?
I said you didn't have any noodles.
I don't like those. Sorry guys, I do not like pasta.
I mean, he didn't have any macaroni.
I can't eat macaroni.
I mean, he didn't have
Ow.
he didn't have any marshmallows.
This car just like marshmallows. Yeah. What do you mean I ate one marshmallow today?
He didn't have a lot of marshmallows, that's why.
I legit ate one marshmallow. One marshmallow.
Okay,
I
you
don't
didn't.
even know why I ate marshmallows. Marshmallows aren't even good.
Well, it's good, but it's not like ooh, I need this. Like, it's not.
I'm confused. What are you talking about?
Dude, I'm on my car wash.
Sir, what has our channels turned into? Now we just talk about not getting enough noodles to eat.
Oh yeah.
I'm very confused what we talked about.
Yes, Sam. Noodles.
Don't stop talking about noodles.
If you don't want to hear me talk and just... Oh, yeah, also, watch Matthew's. Matt Plays, YT with 2 Z's. Go watch his. Because if you watch his... if you watch... Matthew, do you know you have 40 subscribers?
Madison.
Sorry.
Bro, Madison's your sister.
Do you know you have 40 subscribers?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go watch his so you could see him making his progress instead of just me making mine.
Oh, there was a hater fighting with me earlier today.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, if you had a channel, you'd probably suck like poo.
Yeah, no, there was actually a hater
I know.
like beating me. But I'm not gonna say the name because I don't want everyone going around giving her hate.
Yeah, true.
Because like, someone gives me hate, I don't really care. Like, it actually makes me more confident.
Because haters isn't a bad thing.
Yeah, it's bad, but like,
It's not like a really good thing, and it's not really a really bad thing. Like, because sometimes I don't know. Guys, if anyone judges you, tell someone immediately.
Immediately.
Yeah. Well, tell someone as quick as you can.
Immediately.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I don't think you guys would want to get bullied. Like, I have got bullied before, and
I got punched in the side of the head by a 15-year-old.
Noah.
I got tricked. No. Why would my brother beat me up?
I'm kidding.
Well, he is my brother, but still. My brother wouldn't beat me up. My brother's awesome. Even though he does fight. Like, not like fight. Like, all brothers get mad at each other.
Yeah.
I try not to get mad.
Dude, I have 2 car washes finished already. Dude, this is actually, yeah.
What's this guy doing? Why is he driving through my car wash? It's pretty annoying. No, like an actual guy.
Wait, what?
He bought the car. This guy's like, bro, stop, dude, stop. Wow, he's hogging hogging the traffic so they can't get by.
So I guess this is just a game. I know some people probably won't like this game. I know why, because you basically it's not I feel like a simulator might be better than this.
I'm very confused. Why can I knock it out? Oh, because it's glass problem.
Matthew,
I'm pretty stupid.
I have got pretty much progress, but guys, I'm gonna come back when I've got more progress. Hey guys, so a dog's chasing Matt Plays. If you go watch his channel, you will know what happened. But I kind of upgraded a little bit. I upgraded this. Let me go get some of my money. I want to do some of this on camera. Yeah. Because I don't want to do this all not on camera because it won't be like it'll just be kind of weird. But I do have a lot of cars just going in there. I'm gonna try to finish this thing up. Just run across these.
Bro,
Boom.
I almost just maxed out. Like, I'm legit about to max out.
What is max? What do you mean?
Like, I'm done with the game. I finished.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Look.
Dude,
I'm basically done.
Dude, I almost finished.
Look, I see how far. Oh, did you buy all the walls for everything?
Oh no.
Yeah, they ain't got on this.
But look onto Matthew. Look to Matt Plays, so you can see how it's almost finished. Because, well, I don't know, we might finish it in this video, but if we don't, then yeah. But he has a lot of progress, so definitely watch his.
I just maxed out.
No, you didn't.
Basically.
No. I finished my thing, my little house thing. Matthew, did you get this one over here?
Hey sir, I only need 2 more cans. I'm completely maxed.
Matthew, did you get this one over here?
No. You don't even really need that.
What is that?
That's just a car you can drive yourself.
I'm probably gonna get that, but last.
Someone has 77K.
It's not that much. I look how much.
They're maxed out.
Look how much K I have.
Hold up. Wait. Can you buy more than one?
What do you mean?
Wait.
Let me just get this, get this, get this, then get this.
I'm maxed out.
Next up,
Wait, gear shop?
guess what? I'm basically maxed out. I could just buy some cars.
Ooh, I want $50,000.
How?
No, I said I want, because I can buy a fast potion.
Oh, forgot about the roof.
Bro, buy the roof.
I'm gonna go buy a car. I'm buying a car. Boom. Oh, that's cool. Matthew. No. Please
Look
don't.
how fast I am.
Are you on a car? Dude,
What?
my car flipped.
Seriously?
Ah! What the flip? Help. I'm resetting my character. I'm killing myself. Oof. What the flip was that? I have 1 death because I killed myself. Why is
How
this
do you
game?
get kills? Like, there's nothing you can do.
Why does this have deaths? I'm confused. Someone has 2 deaths. 2 people have 2 deaths. I only have 1 death because the car. I bet this other scare shop. How do you even kill people?
Bro, I can't buy anything.
Why?
I'm completely maxed out.
Same.
Like, completely.
We maxed out, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour of what my thing.
I'm just buying the last car.
Okay, that's it. Oh, this is someone else's. Oops. Wait, where's mine?
Boop. Well, guys,
This is probably
I'm
mine.
finished.
Yeah, guys, we basically finished. We're finished.
Wait, I'm gonna see if I can buy more than one.
More than one place?
Yeah.
Probably. Let me just collect my money. I'll buy that last car, and guys, that will be it. We'll end the video there. Well, I'll end the video there.
Well, bro, I'm done.
Look how much money I have. I have 78. Okay. What? Okay, this is my last thing. Boom, walk over that, and boom, walk over this. So guys, this is what is it called again? Car wash.
Car wash.
So yeah, Tycoon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you know when I upload. And